Just gonna show you the different ways that I'm going to tie my head scarf. I'm trying to decide how to wear it, but I know I want some hair in front of my face. So one way is to do like that. You can tie it. Trust me, it does not have to be perfect. I can do this. This is definitely like an option. If this is how you are feeling like you want to wear your hair, this is a statement hairstyle. You can turn it to the side. You can bring the hair to the back. You know, you can do it anyhow you want. The only thing is, it feels a little loose, you know. Who cares? Like when you're tying your hair, when you tie it up, it doesn't matter. Like, you know, it doesn't have to be, it's gonna be a little loose and stuff, but the hair tying is not meant to be perfect. It's just an imperfect way to put something on your hair and just be like, whatever, you know, you just did it and you go and you're dancing. If you're having fun, nobody cares about how you tied your hair. Like, no one cares about that. So that is one way that I could do my hair if I wanted. You could do it from the back or you can tie it from the front. Okay, if I were to tie it from the front, seriously, something really simple is how I always go. Like, simplicity is the answer, okay? You always want to do something simple like this. You just tie it in the back and that's it. It does, trust me, it's keeping it simple is the way to go. Just like that. I actually like this one too. This is probably how I'm going to do my hair tonight. I'm going for a family member's wedding.